You're trying to peek. You can't peek yet. Okay, guys. I'm a little under the weather. But my boy's going to school today, and I told him we got a surprise in the box. And I wanted to give it to him before he went in. Are you ready to see it? Oh! What is that?
Creature?
I don't know, but I mean...
Oh my goodness, it's
Wait a second. I actually literally do not know how we're supposed to open this. It's top secret. Wait, there's an actual lock. And there's no way to open it. Oh wait, is it in this? I'm going to, there's a lock on our box. Oh! Okay, hold on. It's loose, so we're gonna cheat the system here. We're gonna cheat the system.
Yeah.
So we cheated the system because they were being tricky. But before we open it, let's see what it says. What's inside? The key to the answer is on its way. Oh, we can't open it yet. Wait, they don't want us to open it. We can't open it.
Why?
They told us to wait.
How much minutes?
We gotta wait a few days. It's really true. They said we have to wait. We have to wait for them to give us the lock key. What is inside of this, buddy?
Is it on the bottom?
What do you think it is?
It's not on the key. It's not on the...
It's
Mom,
not. They're gonna mail me the key. What is this?
Mom, we could break it open.
We can break it open, but they don't want me to break it open. No, they don't want us to. We gotta wait for the key. We can't open it. What do you think is in this box? A creature. Is it alive?
No.
Is it food?
It's a toy.
It's a toy. He thinks it's a toy.
Look.
Guys, we are just gonna have to wait and see. You guys gonna have to come back in a few days. We have to wait until the key comes. It says the key to the answer is on its way in just a couple of days.
How much?
I think 2 days. So I'm gonna leave this box right here. Shush, top secret. What is that? Is that a monster? There's a monster in the box. Is it funny, monster?
Yeah, that's funny.
Oh, I can't wait to see, Caleb. Oh, me too. Alright, people. You're gonna have to stay tuned. I'm being told to wait, so I'm gonna wait because I like working with these people and I like surprises.
Don't turn it off. Don't turn the computer off.
Okay, what do you want to say? We can't sit here for 2 days.
No.
You have to go to school. We gotta wait. Oh, we gotta wait. What is it? All right, until tomorrow. Bye.